Hello everyone. So today is 2nd of June and we had Nifty weekly expiry, and let's discuss the performance of the indicator, the HFT indicator. And as I have made the video yesterday, so the rules I have told you to follow. So according to that, let's see how it performed and how you could have utilized it. And not only that, I was also live today, and so I also discussed with you all like live how you can utilize the indicator, so that like you don't have any confusion, so because live learning is the best learning. And in short, again, there was this sell signals, the sellers were active the last day, and today a little bit of gap down, and then we had these sell buy. So the main point is, if you look at here, that is there were some short sellers, but here look at this, like 918, so 106 cr of put trading happened. 920, 89.5 cr of put trading happened, okay, and also along with it 47.5 cr of call buying also happened, okay. Now again, almost near to that region, again here we had that reversal, and it was a nice reversal, like we were live. And 1017, it was 90, almost 100 cr of put trading happened, and 71 cr of call buying happened. Okay, so the main point is that at this level, whenever Nifty was coming near to this level, okay, we were seeing some long positions building up. The largest one was here, okay, and so the largest long position was here, that is 255 cr of put writing and 116 cr of call buying, okay. And yeah, it pumped up, but before going up, if you see here, that is there was a sell signal, but right before it pumped up, there was this buy signal that came in at 1240, and it was consisting of 53 cr of put writing and 52 cr of call buying. Okay, now what about these sell signals? Again, as I said yesterday, even followed during today's live analysis. So what I said was that, like, whenever market there's this buy signal, and whenever market is in uptrend, so and you're getting sell signals, so wait for the charts to bend, okay, wait for the charts to go in the direction. So finally, ultimately it did here, but the main point was that I clearly mentioned that we should wait and watch here, okay, we should wait and watch here. And I'm not coming now, and I've seen what happened in the market, and I have written a script and telling you this. So it's not like during live hours I was there, so I clearly mentioned that these signals, sell signals are coming. So yes, the big institutions are shorting, but the charts are not going down, so it doesn't make sense to short, okay. And so these support and resistance lines also work, like you can see the line, the resistance line here, so there it got, and finally got the resistance and came down. And finally, even if you look at here, that is the morning moves were enough, like this was the initial volatility. If you consider only this, the 2 to 3 reversals, okay. So look at here, that is 1006, okay, 1006. Let's see. So here I have opened 23,400 put, okay. So 1006, if you look at here, sorry, this is 1006, okay. So the average price of this candle is around, so high was 109 and low was 100. So let's consider 105, okay. So from 105, it went to the high of this candle was 144. So you can understand. So this is the put, okay. And so again, like here we got the buy signal and 1017, and right after the positions were formed, it like one after the other green candles came and it went up. So anyways, 1017, again look at here, that is if you look at the calls, and I'm just showing you the buying option buying picture. So there is the selling picture as well, which you can also check. So 1017, yeah, so 1017, okay. So here was the price, like 11, okay, and you can also consider 300 as well. So from 11 it went to 44, okay, so almost 4 times. the call price went. Okay, so the put also like went down here. If you see 1016, so let's say from 128 it went down to 62. Okay, so like this you can check out, like for this signal, as I mean I was live, I said clearly that we have the resistance line near about that. If a buy signal is coming, I should be careful. I mean I might look for a little bit of scalping opportunity, which happened here. Okay, but not try to go too long. And not only that, like if I'm getting see I can see, I also said that I can see a zone forming where some big guys like is giving support to the market, okay, by making long positions. And so, or maybe if I have a support here near about that, I'm getting a buy signal, so that then it makes sense to go long. Okay, and not only that, like here also if you see, so when the huge position formed, so a little bit of consolidation, but finally again it pumped up. So model 1 worked perfectly, and even at the end also the sellers, they also were able to take the market down. But the main point was that try to avoid such confusion scenario, like if the big institutions are selling and market is not falling, or maybe you can scalp as well these selling opportunities. So if market is not falling, so leave it. Okay, and now you don't have to trade every signal. And not only that, like even when market was boarding, like during this region 1141, so like I showed you like how to utilize the model 5 or even the model 2, especially for scalping opportunities. So overall, if you see the overall performance of the model 5 was great. Like if you see here, that is again let's leave the initial volatility, and then again sell, buy, sell. Again this sell signal came in, and this buy signal came in right from the bottom. Okay, and this sell signal, yes, I agree, it did not work out, but this again, okay, it fell. So I mean you got a complete like setup, and you have got a complete setup and resistance, support, and these smart money positions in real time. Again, Bank Nifty also you see it got a very nice signals, and even in Fin Nifty as well. So I think mid cap, yeah, mid cap also gave very nice signals in model 5. So model 5 worked very nicely. But yes, the one that I talked about, just go and check out the live stream today. Okay, this one, at that moment, like I showed you clearly that what the big institutions they do, so how they scalp even 3 to 4 points as well. So if you see here, those call buying were happening when market was consolidating from 1139 to let's say 1230. So almost for an hour market was it was a boring market. Okay, but not for us, because like here you see red, okay, and then like this green formed and it went up. You might see that it I mean it did not move much, but look at the go and check out the premium, okay, of the ATM or in the money. So it went up by 4 to 8 points. Okay, I think mostly it went by 4 to 5 points. So here also, like there was this two red candles, and then right after that, like you got, so this was the red candle, right after that it pumped. Okay, so within this pump only the premium went up by more than 4 to 5 points. And not only that, even here as well, like if you see, these are small call buying positions. So again red candle, and then again the green started. Okay, so these were the ones that we were trying to scalp during this again this one as well. So during this boarding market as well, so trying to make it interesting with the help of model 5 as well. So not only model 5 you should wait for the buy and the sell signals, but the bars are also mostly helpful. And mostly like this technique will work when market is consolidating. Okay, not that like if you see that the charts are like moving straight up or straight down, so no, that technique won't work. In a boring market, that technique would definitely, like I have seen, like most of the more than 90% of the time it works. Okay, and talking about the other indices, like Bank Nifty, if you see, like again right at the start there, So all these bottom were caught, and someone was making long positions at the bottom, the highest being here at 1017. And you see, like, nicely it worked out. And even the final one, the 3 p.m. move also, like, if you see 301 am, so these long positions got formed and it went up. You can just go and check out the live stream. Even these short positions formed, it went down. Okay, and talking about Nifty also, you see you got the buy signal there, and right before the pump. And Sensex, talking about Sensex, yes, Sensex also gave the buy signal there. And not only there, like here also some big long positions. If you see the bars, big long positions formed here at 1017 and 10. This one was at 1059, and again here at 1240. Okay, so yes, overall, like, it worked nicely. And even in Sensex you got this 248 the long positions, and then 301 the long positions that formed. So even after that also, like after 3 p.m. it went up, so one could have taken the advantage of it. And yeah, so that's the overall view of today, what happened. And let's also talk about if I put the next expiry for Nifty, so 9/6/9/06/26. So if you see here what happened at the end, so there also we got these long signals and some long signals ending, and that's it. Okay, so that is how it's ending for the someone made some long positions here at 1501 1502 in Nifty in the next expiry. Okay, and so this is the overall picture and how it worked. And again, if you enjoyed the live stream, please don't forget to put a like. And if you enjoyed the reversals, please do put a like. And again, if you want the indicators on your chart, so you have to go to my website, and here's the website link. And you can opt for whatever plan suits you, and you'll get access ASAP, but your membership count will start from the next trading session. And yeah, so I hope you had a wonderful expiry day. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.